contractor is telling us that the Resiliency Center is actually holding true to their promise of turning permits around in 5 days.
I heard from you guys that they put in the temporary buildings behind the building department. So I just saw the first door open on the first temporary little trailer there. And I walked up and I knocked on the door and there was this nice man sitting there. He had been brought from San Bernardino or somewhere. And I said, can I just ask you a few questions? And he talked to me for an hour and 10 minutes. He printed me 60 pages.
So the Resiliency Department definitely got our permits turned around in 5 days. They held true to exactly 5 days on that, so that was really welcoming and nice. Expect revisions. I'm happy, and I'm sorry for those of you that aren't there yet. I'm happy to say that we began digging this weekend, so hopefully we're getting some better. So we're excited. The kids are excited to finally see some stuff happening.